Hey guys, welcome back to the channel How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp video call minimize problem. So let's go into the Play Store here first of all. Then we will open this WhatsApp. You have to just type WhatsApp in the search bar, right? And guys, here you will get this option of update. Then click the update app and you have to make sure that you update the app right now, okay? And after that, you have to just go to the setting of your phone. As you go to the setting of your phone, you have to scroll a little bit down, go to the app section here and click on the app management, and it will load for a few seconds guys. You have to just wait here, and on the search bar you have to type here WhatsApp. So basically you have to search it and just go to the WhatsApp, go to the storage usage, clear the cache, and after that clear data, right? And you have to just click on the OK, and as you click on the OK, everything will become completely new. It will delete all the unnecessary files which is present over your application, and this will make perfectly fine and your WhatsApp will work perfectly fine. So this is it guys, and if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.